How to use credit cards to your advantage. As long as you can use a credit card responsibly, there are endless advantages to using a credit card. They offer rewards, protection, and convenience. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos, and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Are you looking for a side hustle? Some passive income? To get started as a freelancer? Or perhaps to even start your own business entirely from home? Whatever your needs, we provide the best guides, hints, tips and informative content for your money-making journey. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. If you want to know how to use credit cards to your advantage, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about using a credit card to your advantage in 2022. Now let's get into why use credit cards. Other payment options, like debit cards and cash, may seem like an easier way to stay within budget. Credit cards have a reputation for encouraging holders to spend money they don't have, especially when enticing offers come in the mail. But we think a good credit card is a must-have. When used responsibly, credit cards can be great for your financial well-being. Smart credit card holders can earn money just by using their card. They build a credit history. Credit scores, taken from records of your financial activity, are essential if you plan to borrow money. These scores come partially from your credit card history. Unlike debit card use, credit card use is reported to the bureaus that monitor scores. A track record of paying a credit card balance on time helps your score immensely. And the longer you use credit cards, the more you'll build your credit history, improving your score even more. They may offer sign-on bonuses. As a welcome gift, many cards offer bonuses for signing up. Usually, you have to spend a certain amount, sometimes within a certain period, to get the bonus, so read the fine print. But it's still an invaluable perk. They give cashback. When you make purchases on cashback credit cards, you earn a small amount of money back. The cash reward can be anywhere from 1 to 6% of your purchase total. Over time, these rewards can add up to a sizable bonus. They offer rewards programs. There are almost as many rewards programs as there are cards. The trick is to find a rewards program that fits with spending habits you already have, or partners with a retailer you already like. Rewards programs can include, but aren't limited to, point systems. You earn points based on how much you spend, and you cash in points for gift cards or other rewards. Frequent flyer cards. You rack up airline miles every time you fly, which you can redeem for discounts on future flights. These cards may offer lucrative sign-up mileage bonuses. Travel rewards cards that offer credit card miles slightly different from frequent flyer miles, but still giving travel rewards. Rewards in common spending categories like restaurant dining, gas, or groceries. This type of card can be great for users who don't do much traveling, but still want to get the most out of their card. They track your spending for you. Want to budget better? Credit card statements are a built-in expense tracker. Your purchases get recorded online with all the essential information: where, when, how much, and how often you're spending. Some card companies keep your spending records around for years. This benefit becomes especially useful come tax time. With one record of the past year's spending already compiled, you'll save time and effort on your taxes. Business expenses, rental property expenses, charity contributions, and more tricky tax return areas all show up on a credit card statement. They protect against fraud. One of credit cards' biggest advantages over debit cards is the level of fraud protection they offer. Say your credit card is stolen or someone finds your card information online. Even if the thief starts making purchases on your card right away, you won't lose much money since charges to credit cards aren't withdrawn immediately. Once you notify the card company of the theft, they'll put a hold on your card and investigate. You aren't liable for any fraudulent purchases made in the meantime. Federal law protections for credit card holders keep you from losing much cash. The most you'll potentially be liable for is $50. And if you report before a purchase is made, or if your credit card company has a zero liability fraud policy, you won't lose anything. Now say your debit card is stolen. Since debit card funds are deducted instantly, any money spent on fraudulent purchases will be gone. Automatic payments you've scheduled might be cancelled as a result. If you report the theft within 60 days, the transactions can be reversed and the money restored. But this takes time and can be much more disruptive than credit card theft. They let you transfer your balance. In a balance transfer, you move your debt from one credit card to another. Other debts, like car loans and monthly installment payments, can be moved to a balance transfer credit card. You'll still have to pay what you owe, of course. But if you switch the debt to a card with a lower interest rate, you save money over time. Balance transfers can also consolidate debt and make your life easier. They come with purchase protection. Consumer protection is a huge perk of many credit cards. If you buy an item with a credit card and later find out it's damaged or the quality is poor, you can return the item and get the charge removed. Credit cards may offer extended warranties on electronics, furniture, and other items you hope to use for a long time. In many cases, the card doubles the time on the manufacturer's warranty. Make sure to keep your receipts. They tack on insurance. Check out the consumer protections offered with your credit card. Chances are you'll find benefits you didn't know you had. In addition to extended warranties and purchase protection, many cards offer return protection, rental car insurance, and travel insurance. Intelligent credit card use can save plenty of cash, keep your money protected, and throw in some perks. Not a bad rate of return on a single spending method. If you can use a credit card responsibly, there's really no reason not to. They offer rewards, protection, and convenience, and report to the credit bureaus, making it easy for you to build your credit. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about how to use your credit card to your advantage. What have you learned about how to use credit cards to your benefit today? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting, remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also, subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.